Hi, welcome to MECHOLOGY. In this video, we are going to create exercise number 50. And in this exercise, we are going to create the model by using extruded boss, extruded cut, shell and fillet. And also, we will use circular sketch pattern. So let's create it on SolidWorks. Select new, select part and apply OK. Now select the top plane and go to sketch. Here select the slot and draw one slot. And this distance is 55. And this distance is 120. Now select the offset entity, select this one, and it is 15 mm. Just reverse it, apply OK. Now go to features and just select extrude boss, select this one, and it is 8 mm. Apply OK. Now again select extrude boss and select the same sketch, select here. Okay, we need to clear this one. Now select this one, and it is 24 plus 8, so it is 32. Now select the fillet, and it is 20 mm. Apply OK. Now select the shell. Where is the shell? Yeah. And select this face, show preview, and it is 8 mm. Apply OK. Now select this face and go to sketch. Now select offset entity, select this outer edge. Okay, select offset entity, select this outer edge. Okay, we need to delete all the stuff. Delete first. Yes. And now select offset. Now select outer edge one. First reverse it, and it is 7.5. Apply OK. And select for construction. Now select the circle and draw one circle here. Select the circle and draw one circle here. Diameter of this circle is 8 mm. And now select the circular pattern. Select this one and clear selection. Select this point. And it is, I think, number of 6. Yeah, it is 6. Here select instance 6 to skip. We need to skip this 2. And now apply OK. Now select center line and draw one center line like that. Select mirror entity and select all these 4 and select mirror about this one and apply OK. Now go to feature and select extruded cut. Here select up to next, apply OK. Now select this. Okay, we need to apply fillet first. Select this one and it is 2 mm. Now select this face and go to sketch. Select circle and draw 3 circles here. And select smart dimension. This is 30. This one is 60. And middle one is 8. Now select features and select this. Okay, select this extrude boss first and clear selection. Select this one and here select mid plane and it is 32. Apply OK. Now again select extrude boss and select the same sketch. Here select surface, so select this one and clear selection. Select this one and here is of 5 mm. Yeah, it is 5 and just reverse it. It is not bead plane, is blind, and reverse it. Apply OK. Now select fluid cut and select the same sketch. Here clear selection and select this middle one, and here select up to next, apply OK. Now select again this face and go to sketch, select circle, and here draw 2 circles, and this one is 18 and this one is a 10, and distance between these two is 32.75. Select this center and select this one and make horizontal. Now go to features and select extrude boss, and now it is 4 mm, apply OK. Now select extrude cut and select the same sketch, here clear selections and select this middle one, and here select up to next and apply OK. Now select fillet and select this one, this one, this one, this one, and here this one, and apply OK. Now go to appearance and apply to appearance, select this one, and it is our isometric view. Now our exercise has been completed. Please share, subscribe and like. Thank you for watching.